This is a quick video to demonstrate how to fix the accidental erasure of a formula in, say, the balance column or the category or type column. As a quick review, the cells in columns A through F are those that you can certainly put in your data. However, the G column contains a complicated formula for calculating the balance. Similarly, the category and type columns also have uh, formulas for retrieving or looking up the correct category and type based on your entry in the subcategory field. Now, by way of example, let's say that I accidentally highlighted a lot of the balance values and hit my delete key, or maybe I manually typed in a number. Well, certainly now the balance is no longer going to be calculated. And there are a couple different ways to get that formula back in here. So if you happen to have still a row that has the balance being calculated by the formula, for example, when I click on this G5 cell, I see that complicated formula up here in the formula bar. And a couple different things I can do. The most easiest is if I get my mouse in that very bottom corner so that it turns into a black plus symbol. Super important that it be that black plus symbol. Then if I hold down my mouse and then just drag down and let go, that will copy the formula back. So of course I just want to make sure that as I keep clicking or reviewing cells in this G column that I'm seeing that formula still there. Similarly, let's say that I accidentally maybe highlighted all of these entries and accidentally, deleted them. Well, as long as I've got at least one cell somewhere with that formula, like I do here, again, I just grab that bottom corner, click, drag it down, and I've got that back. Now, if I happen to have wiped out all of the formulas in this balance column, if you've got still another register sheet, you could go over there. So, for example, I click my cell in click my mouse on one of these cells, I see the formula up there, and I could just highlight that formula, copy it to my clipboard with either Control C or the right click, go back to the other register where something is not right, and then I could just do a paste of that missing formula. So hope that helps.